happening, Crypto Crew? This is Kalelcanfly with my wife Emily.
Hello.
And we're about to get into episode 12 of Chainsaw Man.
Woo!
So this one is entitled Katana versus Chainsaw.
Oh.
So it looks like the battle is about to begin.
It is.
I'm really excited for that.
Yeah.
Those two they seem very similar in their power sets.
Right.
As far as we could tell so far. So I'm looking forward to that. I think that's going to be a decent battle.
Right.
But, you know, things are just really heating up. I mean, the last couple of episodes have been kind of crazy.
Right. Yes. Yes.
Denji and Power have gotten a lot of training.
Yeah, they've
had the shit beat out of them.
Right.
Now, I did, and I mentioned this to you earlier, but I watched episode 1 over again with our daughter a few days ago.
Yeah.
And I realized something that I didn't realize before, which was that Pachita actually had bullet holes when he first met Denji.
Yeah, I remember you saying that.
Which
I don't quite remember that part.
kind of leads into, because remember, Pachita had to bite Denji to get his blood to heal, all that stuff. But that kind of leads into the Gun Devil.
Yeah.
And why is it that the Gun Devil definitely seems to be after Pachita? Why is that?
Why? Yeah. What did he do that
They
was
obviously
so
had
badly?
a battle at some point.
Yeah.
And then why does the Gun Devil need all this money that it's trying to get?
Yeah, why does he need money?
Is it
for what?
Is it to pay off other devils to try and kill Pachita?
Other contracts, maybe?
Yeah, because there's a bunch of different devils that are coming after him.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it just makes me wonder.
And it makes you think, yeah, why is everyone after him? Why is he so special?
Right. Or what did he do?
Right. Or what does he know?
Yes.
What did he see? Is he a witness to something?
But when I saw those bullet holes, I was like, I didn't remember that. I knew he was injured, but I didn't remember the bullet holes.
Right. See, yeah. Right.
That was really interesting to me. So hopefully we'll get some answers to that.
Yes, for sure.
In this episode.
Yeah.
And we'll see what happens. But really excited to jump in, see what this one's all about. But please do smash a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Please also keep in mind that if you would like to help the channel out, we do have our membership program with the YouTube memberships. You can hit that join button down below. $5 a month gets you access to our cloud server with the full unedited access to all of our videos. Most of the videos go up ahead of time before they go on YouTube. Chainsaw Man goes up roughly the same day, if not next day. We try to, just because it is so hot and ready. But everything else pretty much goes onto the cloud server first, so you would get first viewing. Are you ready to do this?
I'm so ready. Let's do this.
All right, we're gonna jump right in.
So excited.
Here we go.
Here we go. Shit.
I'm also curious about this ghost. This ghost devil. And how it's transferred from Himeno.
Right.
Himeno.
Yeah.
未成年なの。そうだけど。じゃあ吸っちゃダメに決まってんじゃん。
Didn't stop you with Denji trying to get in his pants.
Yeah, several times.
じゃあこの一本は私が預かっておこう。君が大人になって何かに寄りかかりたくなったら返してあげる。
Yeah.
No. Oh my God.
Easy revenge.
What? Oh my
can't see him. He's not scared anymore.
Oh.
姫野先輩、
Oh.
もうすぐ俺も行きます。
Oh. He did love her and care about her. Oh. She's really gone now.
I think that was just the remnants of inside that devil. I don't necessarily think it was actually her. Oh, she's dead.
Kill her. Get her.
お前はどうして公安に残ったんだ？
もうすぐボーナスが出るので。
Bonuses are coming up soon.
What kind of bonus you gonna get, sweetheart?
Oh.
Sweetheart.
Just carry around like a...
Wow!
food.
Power, seriously! Right, barf?
Food.
肉は肉じゃろ。
Meat is meat.
牛も人も同じじゃ。
全然違うね。
Oh, shit.
こいつら気づいてね。大きな声出すなよ。
Oh, don't.
わしの名は
Oh, of course!
パー。勝負じゃ。
She wants to prove a point.
Yeah.
After me, Denji. Yeah! He's like, what the hell? Oh! Shit power. She's enjoying it.
Yeah, she is. Bear witness, he's gone.
Oh! Oh my god.
He just kept going.
Yeah, he's like, yeah, whatever.
Just you do your thing.
Go on, Denji.
ゾンビも元は人間。そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛まないのか。
Nah,
Uh-uh.
sure don't.
Yeah, they're already dead. Yeah, I sure don't.
されてな。
No.
人が刀の悪魔になっちまってるみてえだが、そんな俺でもな、うっかりゾンビを殺しちまった夜には眠れなくなるぜ。お前に限っては心がもう人じゃねえんだよ。
Oh, shut
少
up.
しでも人の良心が残ってる
Denji, come on.
俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえか。
Yeah, right. Let's see you try.
Nah. Not gonna happen.
やだ。
Yeah, he said
Yeah. Nah.
nah. Nah.
Nah.
いや、切り殺してやるよ。
Yeah, right. Come on, you dumbass.
Woo!
Come
Let's
on.
go.
Oh! Oh! They're all over the place. Oh!
Woo!
Oh! Watch out,
Go.
Denji, go! Oh! Man! Oh! Woo! Come on, Denji.
Damn!
Show 'em what you got, babe. Show 'em.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Denji needs to start psyching him
Yeah,
out. Tell
he
him how
does.
much he enjoyed killing his grandfather and
Right.
stuff. Like,
Yeah. Oh, look at all these people. Run! Run!
oh!
Oh! Go, girl, run! Oh! Oh! God, his arm!
Keep yapping.
Yeah.
He needs blood.
Yeah, he does. Can he drink his own blood?
He cut off his arm!
Oh my God, he don't have his arms!
もう戦えないだろう。
まだ戦えるぜ。
I still could fight? No fucking way.
Yeah.
Denji, come on,
戦
son.
争が残ってるからね。
Oh, dear God.
His head's gonna fall off.
No. Seriously?
じいちゃんにも教わらなかったか。引き時ってやつをよ。じいちゃんに謝罪しろ。そうしたら楽に殺してやる。
丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがとなバーカ。
Thanks for that dipshit. He's so cocky! Oh! No!
ジジイに教わらなかったか。獣が狩人の言葉信じるなってな。
On his leg!
Oh! No way! He did it!
That was awesome. It's almost like he lured him in.
I got goosebumps so bad.
早川の先輩も参加するか。最強の大会によ。
Oh
お前
my
は
god.
何を言ってんだ。
What are they gonna do?
Oh my God, what
こ
kind
い
of
つは
contest?
姫の先輩を弾で撃っただからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。
Take shots at him?
だから大会を開く。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝
You psycho! Hey, you just a little bit.
Nut shots.
Nut shots.
ち。あ？くれんだ。
What do I get if I win?
Yes! Do it!
こいつの玉金。
His family jewels, of course. You psycho! Hang on! Oh my God.
Love it.
Yes!
Beds. That's gotta be Makima.
Yep. The crows.
Yeah.
Yep.
What's up with this angel devil?
Oh! Yes. Oh! Those balls went clear up there, bud! Oh!
That is awesome. Denji is rubbing off on Aki.
Yes!
I love that.
Some ball kicking.
契約し銃をヤクザに流しました。その対価として沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。
それで、なぜ沢渡はチェンソーの
Yeah, why?
Yeah.
それが聞き出す前に
Oh!
Was that the snake?
I think so. Suicide.
Yeah.
契約で
Yep.
自動的に自殺したのかもしれません。今回の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片
I was the gun devil.
Mm.
我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
ついにか。
They're gonna land the location of the gun devil.
Yep. Yes.
Woo!
Yes.
Man, that episode seemed to go so
That went by
quick.
too fast. That was
Right?
actually 20 minutes.
Right?
No fucking way. Are you serious? You mean I waited all week? I want more.
Well, you're gonna have to wait a hell of a lot longer for more. No.
You still have that one? Is he
Yeah.
gonna light it?
Easy
What if there's
revenge.
a message in there or something?
I just don't know what that means.
I don't know. Easy revenge. Is he gonna light it? Is it gonna show him a vision or something? She gonna come back if he lights it? Maybe it's a spell.
Maybe.
Once it's lit, it's activated or something. Come on, what the heck? They're passed out on the floor.
Yeah,
Eating too much.
this was like the dream that he was dreaming in the very first scene of the show.
Yeah. He's having this dream again? Wonder why. Why does he keep having this dream?
Yeah, it looks like he's a little kid.
Yeah, it looks a lot younger.
Yeah.
Have this dream all the time, yeah.
デンジ
Oh,
絶対に開けちゃダメだ
You can't open that door.
why?
What? What's behind that door? I want to know. What secret lies behind there?
Denji 君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Who was that?
What?
Himeno? Oh, I can't tell.
Oh.
Yeah.
Could be, could be. What the heck?
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on, but it obviously has something to do with that dream that
Yeah.
lies behind that door. Maybe there was something from his childhood when he was a kid. Is there a reason that Pachita chose him and came to him at his time of need
Right.
when his dad died or killed himself? Like,
Could be. I don't know. But this was a crazy episode, though.
yeah.
I mean, yeah,
I wonder if Pachita knew his dad.
maybe. Maybe.
That would be crazy.
That would be crazy. Yeah, but what's behind that door that he can't open? And he keeps having this dream over and over again. But it's like he remembers, but then he doesn't.
Right.
So it's kind of weird.
Yeah, it seems
And-
like obviously season 2 is probably going to delve into
Right.
that.
What
but
secret's behind that door? Seems like it's haunting him.
yeah, I feel like it's something to do with his dad.
With his dad.
Why his dad
Yeah.
was involved. Why did his dad have to get so much money from that mobster?
Right.
You know, why was he in debt so much?
Yeah.
Was his dad working with the Gun Devil? Because the Gun Devil wants all that money. So maybe he borrowed that to give it to the Gun Devil
Yeah.
for a contract or something.
Yeah. Could be. Yeah, that's possible for sure.
I just had a thought.
What? Oh my God.
Okay,
what?
theory
What?
time.
Okay.
I have no idea. But
Right.
maybe his dad had a contract with the Gun Devil.
Okay. Possibly. Okay.
Pachita,
Okay.
maybe his dad had some guns. So
Okay.
his dad borrowed that money for this contract.
Okay.
That's why he was in debt. Pachita and his dad fought it out. Pachita killed his dad.
And that's where he got the gunshots from
Yeah.
in the very first. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that could be.
That's why he showed up at the funeral
Right.
and met Denji.
Yeah.
That would be crazy.
Yes. I think you're onto something there.
Yeah, because
I think you're onto something for sure.
it all kind of fits with the clues that we've had so far.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that might be
The closest one.
the closest that I can
Yeah.
think of. Like, what connects it all together? Behind that door, he's going to find out that his dad had a contract, probably with the Gun Devil.
Right. Yeah.
And that's
For
why
sure.
Pachita says you can't open
Open that door. Cannot
Because he'll
open that
also
door.
find out that Pachita killed his dad.
Exactly.
It wasn't suicide.
Then he'd want him out of his chest then, probably. You never know. Take
you never
him
know.
out! He killed my dad!
Yeah, that would be crazy.
That would be crazy.
But,
Yeah.
Wow,
I don't know.
what a first season. I mean, this has been,
Yes.
I know for you, you've said it's probably your favorite show right now.
It is. Us watching. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. How would you rate it up against Attack on Titan or Invincible, like, as far as the show goes?
Okay.
Would you put it up?
Oh,
in
yeah.
that
Yeah.
tier?
For sure. For sure. I think, of course, my Aaron.
Yeah.
I'm all for my Aaron. He's my number one. Then I'd say this is my number two. I love Denji.
Really? More than
Yeah.
Invincible, huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I do. I do.
It has been about a year since we've seen Invincible, so
It has been.
it's hard to really compare. I'd have to go back and watch.
I know.
I do probably prefer the animation style of Invincible to this.
Mm-hmm.
But I think I like the story of
The storyline.
a little bit better. I think it's got some more compelling characters.
Yeah.
Attack on Titan, I don't think anything's going to beat it, honestly.
No,
It just was such a
there.
fantastic
It's there.
show. When that's anime, live action, doesn't matter.
No.
But this is very, very good. Now,
Yeah.
I've thoroughly enjoyed this first season.
Yes, me too.
I think
Me
it's
too.
only going to get better.
It is.
Now that we're kind of getting into things, like I feel
And the
like
characters.
I feel like
and-
the first half of season 1 was just kind of easing you into it.
Right, and your second half just
Yeah.
exploded. Yeah.
And I think now we're on this trajectory of I think really good stuff. So I'm
Yes.
excited. I'm
Yes,
excited
yes,
to see
yes,
if my
yes.
theory holds water,
Yeah.
because that would be really interesting.
Yeah. That is very, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just makes sense to me, but
Well,
Who knows?
it does. I mean, it does. You know, with him having the bullet holes in him and his dad, I never really thought of that. You're
Yeah.
on to something there.
because the dude that he got the money off of, that Denji was working for, said that he killed himself. He committed
Right.
suicide. But that could have been staged.
Yeah.
That could have been staged. Or maybe the contract ran out, and
Maybe it's, yeah. You
maybe
never
the
know.
Chainsaw Devil worked for the Gun Devil.
Yeah.
And when the contracts are up, he has to go kill these people.
Maybe.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But then when he killed Denji's dad, he was like, I'm out.
Right.
You know, and
Out of here.
tried to make a run for it.
Yeah. True.
I don't know. Theories. Let us know if you guys have similar theories in the comments down below. Please, if you have, or if you know anything about the actual, the anime, the comics, whatever. No spoilers. We don't want any spoilers. But if you have any fan theories or anything like that, leave those in the comments down below. We'd definitely be interested. Let us know what you guys thought of this first season as well. I did mention earlier to Emily during the intro that I read that there's like 16,000 people that signed a petition because they don't like the show. They don't like this rendition of the show.
That's just mind-blowing to me.
Yeah, I mean...
I don't understand why, though.
I think anime is held in such a high regard
Yeah.
that if it's not just like on point in every way, that people get kind of upset about it.
Is this based on a comic book?
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Okay. So
So-
it's not like okay.
So I think maybe the way that they've adapted it, or maybe the characters are maybe not quite the same or
right,
whatever,
okay.
but I think that might be why they're not as thrilled. But
Right.
for
I'm
us-
enjoying
yeah,
it.
for people like us that are not really, we don't delve deep into this stuff. Like,
No.
it has
First
been-
time.
it has been a real treat.
Yes. Yes.
So-
Very. Very good.
But yeah, let us know your guys' thoughts. Thanks everyone for watching. Please do smash a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you later.
Crypto Crew.